Earlier, we talked about the problem with this commit. Add a reference to Google Map SDK. The problem with this commit is its position in the history, because we're adding a reference to Google Map after implementing a feature that is dependent on Google Map. So if we check out this commit and restore our application to this point, our application is not going to work, because at this point in time, in this snapshot, we don't have a reference to Google Map. So in this demo, we're going to grab this commit and move it down. It's super easy. So once again, we're going to start our rebase operation. So I'm going to grab the ID of this commit so we can see all the commits in our rebase script. Git rebase-i. Good. So we can see all of our commits from the oldest to the newest. Now I'm going to grab this commit, add a reference, and move it up. In VS Code, we can move a line up by pressing Alt and the up arrow. So like this. Now this commit is in the right position. So save the changes, close. Rebasing completed successfully. Now let's look at the log one more time. So first we add a reference to Google Map, and then we render restaurants on the map. This is much better, but we're not done yet. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to squash a few commits together.